Your visible camera is blind to 90% of semiconductor defects hiding beneath the silicon surface. SWIR sees through all of it. That's not a marketing claim. Silicon absorbs visible light. It's physics. So when you're chasing a crack inside a bonded interface or a void buried in a TSV, your conventional camera literally cannot see it. Pembroke Instruments' InGaAs SWIR cameras operate between 900 and 1700 nanometers, the exact range where silicon becomes transmissive. Suddenly, subsurface structures, alignment errors, MEMS features, and packaging defects become visible. No sectioning, no polishing, no destroying the sample. Their configurable microscope platform goes up to 2 megapixels, which means more detail, wider field of view, and fewer repositioning steps during inspection. You also get support defining the full setup: optics, illumination, magnification, integration. Because the camera alone isn't enough. The whole system has to be right. If you're doing failure analysis, advanced packaging inspection, or wafer QC, this changes what's actually possible. Visit Pembroke Instruments and discuss your inspection application today.